Hi friends, welcome to Testing Today's Point. This is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about default and static methods in interface. From Java 8, the interfaces are enhancing to have a method with implementation. We can use the default and static keywords to create an interface with a method implementation for each method implementation in iterable interface. Means you can able to create one interface now. We'll go on create one interface. Okay, I created this one, and I'm going to copy paste the few codes here. Here it is like a default method. It's like without any implementation. Okay, here is a default method keyword, and I'm going to use for logins here, and static keyword with the print. Okay, with the implementation. Here is without implementation. These two are with implementation. Okay, for test we can able to do it, right? And for that we need to create for class. I'm going to using here, and this one we need to do for implement, and then we can able to use for second interface. And you can able to unimplemented method means there is a method one is not implemented, then we specified for overriding, and there is a method implementation for that particular interface. And I'm going to use for method one. Okay, and I'm going to call for this object here, and I'm just calling here. Now we can able to see obj dot I can able to call for method, and I can able to specify hello method one. Hello space I can able to, and before that I can uncontain this tree. Okay, now again you can able to see here obj dot, here you can able to see there is one more method, it is visible, there is a log, but we are not implemented here, but log it is presented here at the default location, and I'm going to specifying here the log class. Okay, and also we can able to static methods, we can able to call it here dot print interface. Okay, and just we'll run and see here how it will be there, and after that I'll explain for remaining steps. See the class place, it is printed for log method default method, and here it is like a hello method which we instead, and print directly we call it. And here is basically Java 8 uses for default and static method heavily in the collection of API, and default methods are added so that our code remains backward compatible. And if any class is a hierarchy has a method with the same signature, then the default methods become irrelevant. The objects is basically class, so if we have the equals as coded and default methods, the interfaces will become irrelevant. Why it is like, see now here we are not implemented, correct, and the logs are presented here. In case if the same log is presented in some different places, then it is like irrelevant, and it's not useful that much properly, because the default we are going to call it as a the class object. We are not calling for interface place, and static methods we are calling for interface name, but here we are calling for class name. Due to that only it is like a, it's not that much of useful for default methods. We can able to use without method implementation, or else static methods it will for useful, because we are calling for directly interface methods directly. Okay, this is the one having for Java 8 a new method implementation using for default and as well as static keywords. That's all about this video. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.